Okay, I told you guys that 1 radian is what? Is equal to 57.3 degree. Okay, now if they give a particular question and that question, the angle, if they give a particular question and in that question the angle was in radian and you are expected to solve using degree, what are you how are you going to convert from that radian to degree? For example, they said an angle of, let's say, 3 radian, for example 3 radian, and you are expected to use degree to solve that particular question. How are you going to do it? It's very easy. You will need to convert this radian towards degree. Now just take the part you need to take note of is that 1 radian is the same thing as or is equal to what? 57.3 degree. How are you going to convert 3 radian to what? To degree? It's very easy. You will say you will say if 1 radian, to convert from 3 radian, to convert 3 radian to degree is very easy. To convert is just like this. If 1 radian is equals to 57.3 degree, then then 3 radian will equals to what? An s degree. So the question they are telling us to convert 3 radian towards to degree is very easy. So you first say if 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree, then 3 radian is equal to what? X degree. So if you multiply 3 times 3 will be multiplying with 57.3, with 57.3, then while 1 will be multiplying with 1 will be multiplying x. Okay, so 3 times 57.3, 3 times 57.3 to give us 171.9 is equals to anything multiplying s will still give us x. Abi, yes. So this is the answer in degree. Okay, so this is the answer in degree. So 3 radian is the same thing as 171.9 degree. So to convert 3 radian to when we convert 3 radian, we convert it to what? To degree. We have what? 171.90 degree. I mean 171.9. So that is how to convert one angle. That's how to convert from angle to degree. What if they tell you to convert from degree to radian? It's very easy. Okay. If they ask you to calculate, you can still use the same method here. Okay. If they ask you to calculate from degree to degree to what? Radian, is easy. You will say, for example, they say convert 171.9 degree. This thing is degree. If they tell you to convert this value in degree, convert it back to radian. It's very easy. You say you can use this one as a constant. You will say if 1 radian is equals to 57.3 degree, then s radian equals to what? 171.9 degree. So if you multiply this with this, multiply this with this one times will give us s times 57.3 degree will be equals to this one multiply this 1 times 171.9 degree. Okay, this one multiply this we have what? 171.9 degree. Then this one multiply this we have 57.3 s degree. So dividing both sides by if you divide both sides by 57.3, dividing both sides by 57.3, our radian be what? Divide this, if this one cancel this, then this one, if you divide it by 57.3, we have what? 3. Okay, when you start with 57.3, we have what? 3 radian. Okay, s equals to 3 radian. So it's very easy. Okay, yes. Now they cannot in your exam they cannot just ask you to convert this angle to convert from degree to radian. No, they cannot ask you that one. Now when they will ask you, where they will ask you question is, for example, they are let's say let's say they can ask you to calculate for angular velocity and calculate for angular velocity. That is in chapter 9. So this that is usefulness of conversion factor because They will never ask you to convert this from angle straight. They will not ask you to calculate directly. You will never see that one in your question. But when you are doing particular solving, that is where you will see it. For example, let's say in I think in rotational motion, they say, for example, calculate the calculate angular velocity, calculate for angular velocity. And if you look at the parameters, you find out that the parameters, maybe the parameters given the question. For example, uh, let's say the angular velocity, let's say give angular velocity to be, let's say 2 rad, for example. And when you are solving, and when you are solving, you are expected to convert this rad to what? To degree. So that is where the usefulness of conversion factor takes place. Because if you use this one to solve directly, for example, I'm just using this as an example. If you use this one to solve directly, you will not get your answer. So they will expect you to convert from radian to degree so that you can use that degree to solve. What am I telling you? I'm telling you guys that you can never send a particular question when they will just ask you convert convert degree to radian. No, they will ask they will need you to know how to convert it, because when they will ask a particular question, yes, in such question you are expected to convert from one particular unit to another unit, because if you don't convert it, you will not get your right answer. Okay, so I tell you guys that there are three units of angle, um which are degree, radian, then revolution. Okay, so I think guys to take note that 1 radian is equals to 57.3 degree. Okay, now let me continue. Wash. I tell you guys that ROV means revolution. Okay, one revolution, please take note, is equal to 360 degree. Okay, yes, one revolution like this, a complete cycle. One revolution is equal to 360 degree. A complete cycle is what? Is 360 degree. This one is what? 360 degree. 360 degree is also the same thing as what? One revolution. Okay. One revolution is equal to 360 degree. Then take note that 2 pi radian is also equal to what? 360 degree. Okay, please take note of all this. 2 pi radian is equals to 360 degree. How is it equals to 360 degree? Let's prove it. 2 times pi is what? 3.142. Then times radian is what? 1 radian or radian is what? 57.3 degree. So multiplying everything, you will have 360. If you multiply everything, 2 times 3.142, then times 57.3, you will have 360 as your answer. Okay, so take note that 2 pi radian is equals to what? 360 degree. One revolution is equal to 360 degree. So this can also tell you that since one revolution is equal to 360 degree and 2 pi radian is also equal to 360 degree, this will tell you that one revolution is still equals to what? 2 pi radian. Okay, yes, 2 pi radian. Okay, yes. But please, this is very, very important. Take note of this. Okay, 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree. One revolution is equal to 360 degree. One revolution is equal to 2 pi radian. Now, this one is very important. This place is very important in the sense that they might ask you when you are solving, maybe you are expected to convert from radian to revolution. Yes, you make use of this. Please, you make use of this. For example, you are expected to convert 2 radian. Expected to convert 2 radian to revolution. It's very easy. Okay, so you will say, if they ask you to calculate from no, if they ask you to convert 2 radian to revolution, it's very easy. You first say if one revolution is equals to 2 pi radian, then an S revolution is equals to what? Equals to 2 radian. Okay, so if you cross multiply, this one multiply, one multiply 2 radian, we have 2, then is equals to 2 pi radian multiplying x, we have 2 pi. Okay, 2, we have 2 pi. I'm coming. This one multiply this one multiply this, okay? Let's say they ask us to convert from radian to uh, revolution. So this will be 1 times, I'm coming, this one will be 1 times 2 radian will be 1 times 2 radian, then is equals to this s multiplying this s times 2 pi radian. Okay, this one cancel this. We have 1 times to give us 2 is equals to s times 2 up and 2 pi will give us 2 pi s. Since we are looking for revolution, divide and make this one stand alone, divide both side by 2 pi. Dividing both side by 2 pi. So pi is what? Pi is, I'm coming. So s will be equals to what? 2 over 2 pi. Okay. And pi is the same thing as what? 3.142. So 2 going to 2 times 3.142 give you 6.284. So 2 going to 6.284. Okay, I mean 2 going to 6.284. 2 divide 6.284. You have what? You have 0.318 revolution. Okay, you have 0.318 revolution. So this will tell you that 2 radian is the same thing as what? 0.318 revolution. Okay, yes. So these are all the conversion factor you need to know under angle. Okay, conversion, the unit of angle is degree, radian, and revolution. Okay, yes. So they can ask you to convert from any one. Remember, 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree. Then 1 revolution is equals to 360 degree. Then last part, if I told you guys that 1 radian is equals to 57.3 degree. I also tell you guys that 1 revolution is equals to 360 degree. I also tell you guys that 2 pi radian is equals to 360 degree as well. And I also tell you guys that 1 revolution is equals to what? 2 pi radian. Now if they ask you to convert from degree to revolution, or if they ask you to convert from revolution to degree, it's very easy. Okay? You just say if 1 revolution is equals to 360 degree. For example, they ask you to convert from revolution to degree. Let's say they say convert 2 revolution to degree. It's very easy. You say if 1 revolution is equals to 360 degree, then 2 revolution will equals to what? An s degree. If you multiply 1 times s will give you s, then 2 times 360 will give you what? 2 times 360 2 times 360 give you 720. So 2 revolution is the same thing as what? 720 degree. Okay, yes. So please take note of all this. Radian is 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree. So if they ask you to convert from degree to radian, just say if 1 radian is equals to this, then and hence radian because I hope you guys understand. Then this one is used to convert from revolution to this one is used to convert from revolution to degree, also degree to revolution. This one is used to convert from radian to degree, then degree to radian. Then this one, the last one, is used to convert from revolution to radian, and also radian to what? Revolution. Okay, so that is just it. Take note, 1 radian is equal to 57.3 degree. This one 360, this one 360, this 1 revolution is equal to what? 2 pi radian. Please, these are very, very important. Okay, so let's move to the next aspect, which is the conversion factor of length. Conversion factor of length. Okay,